What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. Really excited about this one. This is another knife that was sent after I did the video about, all the knives that I wanted to review. So I, again, thank everybody who has contacted me. I was only able to take a few, but we'll kind of explore that down the road here. This is a knife that I have never handled. I've never handled it. I've wanted to handle it for a long time. It has become increasingly more difficult to get a hold of, so I am super excited to get into this box. I want to remind everybody, again, the reason that I'm able to put out content daily, sometimes 2 videos a day, is 100% due to my Patreon supporters. They make all of the costs associated with this channel possible. So if you've been enjoying my content and you'd like to help support my channel, there is a Patreon link down in the description where you can have a look at my Patreon, just kind of look around. And if you'd like to support me, it would mean the world to me. There's also links down in the description for the Rainbow Lady of the Sea and some other really useful EDC items and sort of knife maintenance items that I myself actually use. So if you'd like to check that stuff out, purchase it for yourself or a loved one this holiday season in the world. Oh, I see. It was just taped down. So this was sent by my good friend Steve. We've communicated before. I really appreciate you reaching out to me, Steve, and doing this. We have a bag here, and we have what's folded, but it says 5-0 Gen, so there's no way for you to tell. I imagine this is a note. I'm going to take a look at this real quick, just to see what we've got here. Oh, boy. Here we go. Oh, good. You've got your information here. Okay, so here's what we've got, guys. Are you ready? The ZT 0550. Oh, man, I wasn't ready for that. The ZT 0550 OG Hinderer collab with ZT. Guys, this is back from when ZT was absolute beast. God dang, it's so much smoother than I thought it would be. I don't know why I thought, this thing is a brick. This thing is a chonk, C-H-O-N-K, chonky. Dang, that's really nice. I'm feeling all at once like I just severely missed out. Not being around when I bought my first ZT knife, which was the 0562, ZT had gone through some Hinderer evolutions, right? I was a new guy to all this. So this guy was being phased out. Let's take a look here. What steel is on this? S35 VN. You can see you got that nice custom edge on there. Whew, that's nice. She's a beaut. Look how thick, man. This thing just screams zero tolerance. Guys, when you hear me complain about ZT, this is why. This is exactly why I am so frustrated with ZT's current, what they've got going on here. Before we keep going here, or before we end this video, I want to let you guys know, you guys know I am a gigantic Hinderer fan. Now, I happen to have the ZT 0560 in my possession, as well as, of course, an actual Hinderer XM18, and I will have, I don't currently own an 0562, I know, blasphemy, but I will have one, and you can expect to see a direct comparison between the 3 most prominent, I know there are more, but the 3 most prominent Hinderer ZT collaborations. Possibly we'll get the 0393 in there as well. Directly comparing them with each other and a Hinderer XM18. It should be pretty epic. I don't think there's anything else on YouTube that's directly comparing them all at the same time, including the newest ZT collabs with Hinderer. So I think that'll be really fun. And I also want to point you guys, those of you who are crazy Hinderer fans like myself, I want to direct you to my new playlist, which just is, it's Hinderer knives. It's literally every Hinderer video that I've ever done. At the time of this video, I've done 40 videos on Hinderer knives. So if you want to binge all things Hinderer, just kick that playlist on, do your chores, if you're driving, whatever it is that you're doing. Obviously, don't look at your phone while you're driving, but if you just want to listen to it, you got to just kind of get that Hinderer experience, I've made a playlist for you guys, absolutely. So Anyways, thank you so much, Steve. This is wonderful. I cannot wait to play with it. and just experience it. Absolutely. Really happy that you offered that guy up. But guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's video. Like I said, if you'd like to support me on Patreon, I do have a link in the description, as well as links for some other useful EDC items. So check that stuff out. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check that stuff out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.